Have you ever wondered how our planet transformed from a fiery ball of molten rock into the vibrant world we know today? What if I told you that Earth has gone through incredible upheavals, dramatic transformations, and cataclysmic events that shaped not just its surface, but the very essence of life? From the birth of the oceans to the rise and fall of mighty dinosaurs, and even the birth of humanity itself, the story of Earth is one of resilience, adaptation, and sometimes catastrophe. But with all these changes, what does the future hold? Let's take a journey through time to explore the evolution of our planet. It all began about 4.5 billion years ago, when Earth formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust in the early solar system. Picture a chaotic scene where particles collided, stuck together, and eventually began to form the planet we now call home. This wasn't a peaceful creation. It involved intense heat and pressure, leading to a young Earth that was anything but hospitable. The surface was a tumultuous landscape of volcanic activity, where molten lava spewed forth, creating a hostile environment. One of the most significant events in Earth's early history was a colossal impact with another planet, often referred to as Theia. This cataclysmic collision was so powerful that it not only reshaped Earth's surface, but also resulted in the formation of the Moon. Imagine a night sky suddenly graced by a glowing companion, a product of a violent past that would later influence the tides and rhythms of life on Earth. The Moon's gravitational pull began to stabilize the Earth's tilt and rotation, creating a more favorable climate for life to eventually flourish. Fast forward to around 3.8 billion years ago, when conditions on our planet cooled sufficiently for water to condense. This was a pivotal moment as the first oceans began to form, creating an environment ripe for the emergence of life. These primordial seas were a cradle for simple organisms, setting the stage for the incredible biodiversity we see today. As the oceans filled, they became a sanctuary for life, allowing complex biochemical processes to unfold. Then, about 2.4 billion years ago, a remarkable evolution took place. Cyanobacteria emerged, tiny organisms capable of photosynthesis. They began producing oxygen as a byproduct, gradually altering the atmosphere and paving the way for more complex life forms. This event was monumental. It not only changed the composition of the air we breathe, but also triggered Earth's first ice age. Imagine a world where the atmosphere transformed, leading to an unprecedented chill that would reshape ecosystems, giving rise to new habitats and life forms. Throughout Earth's history, continents have formed and broken apart in a cyclical dance, shaping the evolution of life. Supercontinents like Rodinia and Pangaea emerged and eventually split apart, drastically altering landscapes and habitats. Each formation and breakup was a dramatic chapter in Earth's geological history, influencing everything from climate patterns to the migration of species. When Pangaea existed, the diversity of life was concentrated, but as it split apart, new environments emerged, allowing species to adapt and evolve in isolation. The Cambrian Explosion, occurring about 540 million years ago, marked another remarkable turning point. It was during this period that life truly exploded into complexity, introducing a vast array of organisms with hard body parts. Imagine the oceans teeming with bizarre creatures, each adapting to their environments in unique ways. This explosion of life laid the groundwork for the diverse ecosystems we cherish today, with complex food webs and interdependent relationships among species. However, Earth's journey has not been without its challenges. The planet has endured several mass extinctions, the most significant being the Great Dying around 250 million years ago. This catastrophic event wiped out an astonishing 90% of species, reshaping life on Earth. It's hard to fathom the scale of destruction, but it opened doors for new life forms to emerge and evolve, demonstrating nature's resilience. In the aftermath, the surviving species adapted to new niches, leading to the rise of mammals. If you are enjoying this journey video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We make awesome videos like this every day. Now, without further ado, let's continue with the dinosaur era. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for an impressive 150 million years, dominating ecosystems with their size and diversity. Yet, even these majestic creatures were not immune to the forces of nature. Approximately 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth, leading to their extinction. Picture a world where these titanic reptiles once roamed, only to be replaced by a new chapter in Earth's history, a world that would eventually give rise to mammals, and ultimately, humans. This shift allowed mammals to thrive in the absence of dinosaurs, leading to the emergence of our ancestors. Speaking of humans, our story begins around 6 million years ago with the appearance of early human ancestors. These hominins began developing tools and mastering fire, marking the dawn of a new era. Imagine a primitive community, huddled around a flickering flame, learning to cook food and create tools for survival. This was the beginning of humanity's long and complex relationship with the environment, as our ancestors learned to adapt to various habitats and climates. These are just assumptions and hypotheses. If we look at the teachings of major religions like Islam, Christianity, and Judaism, or the latest scientific research, they suggest that humans were not made from any ape or monkey, but the first human being was the same as we are now. The only difference was their height. Archaeologists have discovered thousand-year-old graves where they found the same human structure but with taller heights. In the last 250 years, humanity has undergone rapid transformations, especially following the Industrial Revolution. This period marked a turning point in human society, leading to significant technological advancements and unprecedented population growth. However, this progress came with a heavy price. The rise of industry brought pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change, creating modern threats to biodiversity and the very ecosystems that support life on Earth. The consequences of our actions are profound, with species extinction rates climbing and ecosystems becoming increasingly fragile. Now, as we reflect on this incredible journey, it's crucial to consider what the future holds. Will humanity learn from the past, or will we continue down a path that threatens the delicate balance of life? The evolution of Earth is not just a story of the past. It's a narrative that continues to unfold. Our actions today will shape the future for generations to come. As we look ahead, the responsibility lies with us to ensure that Earth's story is one of resilience, adaptation, and harmony with nature. We have the power to make choices that can protect our planet and its diverse ecosystems. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in renewable energy, and advocating for the environment, we can contribute to a future where both humanity and nature thrive. So, what do you think? Are we capable of changing the course of our future? Or are we doomed to repeat the mistakes of the past? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this journey through Earth's evolution, please like this video, hit that bell icon for notifications, and subscribe to The Speedy Secret for more captivating stories. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of our planet's incredible history. With every like and subscription, you're helping to spread awareness and inspire change. Together, we can make a difference.